Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Morning. I'm making spaghetti bolognese tonight. What would you recommend?
Ah, perfect. For bolognese, this minced beef is ideal. 20% fat for extra flavor. Just came in this morning.
That sounds great. Could I get about 400 grams, please?
400 grams coming up. Would you like me to add some pancetta too? It really enhances the sauce.
Yes, why not? Maybe 100 grams of that as well.
Excellent choice. Your sauce will be delicious. That'll be €9.80 altogether.
Here you go.
And 20 cents change. Need any herbs? We've got fresh basil today.
Oh, yes, that would be lovely. Just a small bunch, please.
There you are. Enjoy your cooking. Let me know how it turns out.
Will do. Thanks for your help. See you next time.
Have a nice day. And don't forget, we get fresh lamb in on Fridays.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to bother you, but do you know how to get to the train station from here?
Oh, sure. It's not too far. You're actually going the right way. Just keep walking straight down this street for about 2 blocks.
Straight ahead. Got it. And then?
Then you'll see a big intersection with a gas station on the left. Turn right there. The station will be on your right side. You can't miss it.
Is it within walking distance, or should I take a bus?
It's about a 10-minute walk. But if you're in a hurry, bus number 05 stops right over there and goes directly to the station.
Oh, that's great. Do you know how often the bus comes?
Usually every 10 minutes. But if you walk, it's a nice stroll. There's even a coffee shop on the way if you need a quick break.
That sounds perfect. Thanks so much for your help.
No problem at all. Have a safe trip.
Hi, I'd like to buy a ticket for the new Avengers movie.
Sure. That's playing in Screen 3. The next show is at 4:15 p.m. Would you like one ticket?
Yes, just one. How much is it?
That'll be $12.50. Would you like any snacks or drinks with your ticket?
Maybe just a medium popcorn.
Great. A medium popcorn is an additional $5. So your total comes to $17.50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card.
Here's your ticket and receipt. Your popcorn will be ready at the concession stand. Enjoy the movie.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a great time.
Good afternoon. I have a delivery for Ms. Johnson.
Yes, that's me. Wow, that was faster than expected.
Great. It's from Urban Outfitters, one medium-sized package. Could I just see some ID quickly?
Of course. Here's my driver's license.
Glancing, then nodding. Perfect. Thank you. There you go. It's actually lighter than it looks.
Oh, you're right. Would you like some water? It's so hot today.
Wiping brow. That's very kind of you. Actually, I'm good. Just 3 more stops to go. But I appreciate the offer.
You're with Quick Ship. Your drivers are always so punctual.
Pleased? That's nice to hear. We really try. Pointing to package. Hope whatever is inside is exciting.
Laughing. Just new bed sheets, nothing too glamorous.
Turning to leave. Well, enjoy your very comfortable sleep then. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Drive safely in this heat.